HIPEC, hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy, is a novel approach for treatment of cancers of abdominal lining that stem from colon, gastric, ovarian, appendix tumors, mesothelioma, and other cancers. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. You can send your queries to us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Telegram, and Viber number, that is +91 9971 986258. What is HIPEC? HIPEC is short form of hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemo. It is the administration of heated chemotherapy solution into the abdominal cavity of patients with peritoneal carcinomatosis. Unlike the systemic chemotherapy delivery, hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy is highly concentrated heated chemotherapy treatment that is delivered directly to the abdomen during the surgery. This allows administration of higher dosage of chemo drugs safely. Heating the solution may also improve the absorption of the chemotherapy and destroy the microscopic cancer cells that can remain in the abdomen after the surgery. HIPEC is delivered post a cytoreductive surgery. Now, what is CRS or cytoreductive surgery? CRS is performed with the goal of removing all the macroscopic disease and comprises of peritonectomy procedure and visceral resections. CRS is a technically challenging surgery that requires a considerable amount of expertise and appropriate patient selection. What are the benefits of cytoreduction with HIPEC? It offers improved prognosis and better quality of life for the patient. Cytoreduction is a procedure that aims for complete removal of all visible tumors affecting the protective lining of the abdomen. The cytoreductive procedure itself is complex and can last anywhere from 10 to 12 hours. Cytoreduction is a complex surgery and can last for an extended period of time. Only an experienced surgeon can perform it effectively. During cytoreductive surgery, the surgeon uses a tool called electrosurgical handpiece to remove mesothelioma tumors. The handpiece is beneficial because it generates an intense amount of heat via high voltage electricity and burns diseased tissue at the edges of the incision. Benefits of CRS and HIPEC. HIPEC has many distinct advantages over the conventional systemic chemotherapy in carefully selected patients. Cytoreductive surgery with HIPEC is usually performed in patients with early cancer and those who are deemed fit to undergo the procedure. When the surgery is done in patient with early stage cancer, it can be even curative treatment. HIPEC is delivered directly into the abdominal cavity, so it can penetrate the cancer cells and diseased tissue more easily than the traditional chemotherapy. Heated chemotherapy improves the blood flow in the abdominal cavity, which helps in improving the delivery of the medicine to the cancer cells. Since treatment is delivered directly to the cancer site, higher dosage of chemotherapy can be used. The rest of your body receives less exposure to the chemotherapy and you will experience less side effect. You receive HIPEC in a single dose during surgery, as opposed to the undergoing multiple treatment session with the traditional chemotherapy. So less hospitalization and less expenses. Indications for CRS and HIPEC. Some types of cancers are very difficult to treat. Cancer that has spread to the lining surfaces of the peritoneal cavity from primary colorectal cancer, ovarian cancer, gastric cancer, appendiceal cancer are from the mesothelioma and pseudomyxoma peritonei, known as peritoneal carcinomatosis, are such cancers. Colorectal cancers, low-grade appendiceal, mucinous neoplasm and pseudomyxoma peritonei, mesothelioma, adrenal cancers, ovarian cancers, liver cancers and pancreatic cancers. HIPEC is also an effective palliative treatment for people with malignant ascites or an accumulation of fluid buildup in the abdomen. Cytoreductive surgery with HIPEC is a novel treatment for those peritoneal cavity cancer patients who were earlier considered untreatable. To inquire about cytoreductive surgery and HIPEC, contact us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Telegram or Viber number, that is +91 9971986258. The name you can trust for your special